Welcome to this JavaScript coding challenge. Today we are going to explore clauses and how they work in JavaScript. Let's dive right in with this piece of code. Let's see what's happening here. Let's break it down step by step. The first step is function outer definition. The outer function is defined. It contains a variable count sliced to 0 and returns an inner function that increments and returns count. Okay, that is a step 1. Step 2 is calling outer function. So when outer is called, it returns inner function which has access to the count variable defined in the outer function scope. This concept is known as closure. The counter variable now holds a reference to this inner function. Next step is call to counter. First call to counter function. So when counter is invoked, it executes the inner function. Inside this function, plus count increments the count variable from 0 to 1 and returns new value which is 1. So the first console.log statement prints 1 to the console. Next step is second call to counter function. This time plus count increments count from 1 to 2 and returns 2. So the second console.log statement prints 2 to the console. And the next step is third call to counter. Finally, let's call counter one more time. That is, again here plus count increments count from 2 to 3 and returns 3. So the third console.log statement prints 3 to the console. Okay. To summarize, each time we call the counter function, it increments the count variable by 1 and returns the new value. Thanks to closure, the counter function retains access to the count variable even after the outer function has finished executing. So the output of this code is 1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like. Thank you.